Hi traders, this stupid simple technique can help your investments super easy. I'm going to teach you a beautiful technique which has built-in stop loss and built-in risk to reward ratio. This technique is so simple that you have to just spend half an hour every week and get done with it. You don't need any other wealth management agency to run your funds. So understand these rules properly, take a pen and paper and watch this video completely. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm using this trading view chart today. So we will start with the settings what you need to put. First, we are going to use the technical analysis. We know that we are going to find and invest only in the stocks which are having good fundamentals. How do I do that? I just pick up stocks from Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 maximum. So let's get started. First, apply this settings what we need to do. So we need to apply a indicator called Supertrend. Okay, search for Supertrend. It's a simple Supertrend. It's available anywhere on any system. If you're using TradingView free as well, you can use this. So once you apply Supertrend, this will come up like this. So there are certain settings which you need to do. So you go and change your inputs to 14 and ATR multiplier to 2.5. Okay, and the source will be by default H plus 1 by 2. So keep this on, show buy signals, sell signals. Okay, I'll tell you how to use it. So this is the only setting which you need to do. So this is an ATR period of 14 plus a multiplier of 2.5. And the chart which we are going to use is a weekly chart. Okay, so let's see what is Bank Nifty doing now. So we have seen the entire drop. This system has told us to exit on this week, which is the 9th March week. The beginning of the week itself, you are getting a sell entry here. So understand the rules here. When this system gives you a buy, okay, after the close of this candle, okay, so let's write the rules here. Weekly entry, where is the entry? Weekly candle close. Okay, weekly candle close above super trend. So here we got a green candle which closed above super trend and the buy signal was complete. So next week, beginning of the next week, you are going to buy this particular index. Here the chart is of the index. You can definitely see that Bank Nifty has given this candle, and next week you have to buy beginning of this week. So beginning of the candle you have to buy. So you will get it at a good price. If the week opens at this price, you will be getting it around 54,600. Now the price is about 54,565. What is your stop loss? Your stop loss is the super trend, which is visible here, 50,323. So super trend is your stop loss. So this is a trailing stop loss. Okay, so as you can see, the stop loss will keep shifting every week. So you need to hold the trade till the time it gives you a sell entry. So this is our exit rule. Simple three rule strategy. No rocket science. The settings I have shown you, super trend 14 and 2.5. Now let's go and apply on the charts. Okay, let's see, is Nifty giving us an entry? Nifty is not giving us an entry. Okay, and I have couple of stocks. I can just show it to you as an example. So Adani Enterprises 1 week chart, this candle has formed this week. So Adani Enterprise has given you a entry. So this week opening, you can buy this stock, and the stop loss is about 1818. Now, how much quantity to buy? Okay, so let's see the rules for the quantity also. So for example, if your entry tomorrow market opens uh, say 2117, okay, so then your stop loss is about 1822. Okay, so let's calculate what quantity I can buy. So 2117 minus 1822 is about 295 points, right? So say my appetite for the risk, so I have a capital of say 2 lakh rupees. I can risk about 5000 rupees per trade. So my 5000 divided by 295 stop loss is equal to 16. So how many quantity you need to buy is 16 quantity. Okay, so 16 quantity, 16 shares of Adani Enterprise if you buy, and if you go wrong completely, no problem. Okay, your stop loss will get hit. Okay, assuming that it gets hit at 1824, immediately it reverses this week and your stop loss is hit. Then you lose 5000 rupees. Okay, so like this, your risk is defined and your reward is unlimited. You are going to trail your stop loss as long as you get the exit in this model. So let's understand how we can find these kind of stocks every week. So I have a tool which I have created, which is charting. Okay, so let's look at this tool. So it's a weekly filter. So today if I get an entry on Adani Total Gas Limited, so let's look at Adani Total Gas. Adani Total Gas. So Supertrend is giving me an entry here. 596 is the price. 462 is your stop loss. Okay. So if Monday morning you have to see the opening. If the opening is somewhere around 630 and your stop loss will be somewhere around 477, again the same rule will apply. So what we can do is just show you a workbook here. So what you can do is your entry stop loss quantity. Simple. Okay, for example, your entry is 632. 632. Your stop loss is about 461. 461. So your SL points is equal to this minus this is up 171. So risk per trade is 5000. Example, if you have a higher risk, you can always increase this. So how much quantity I need to take for Adani is 29. So I can buy 29 shares of Adani Total Gas. Okay, and how does this strategy work? So this is a pretty new stock. So let's look at other stock. Let's look at a stock which has like years of data. So let's look at National Aluminium. Okay, so let's go to the chart. National Aluminium. Okay, so see this beautiful move which you got on a weekly time frame. So this is the kind of returns which you will get. For example, if I have to show you how much is the return after this candle, if you have entered here, okay, what is the stock giving you till now? It's about 1:8 risk to reward, and the stock is still going. Okay, so 1:8 risk to reward you're getting in this. It started its move from say July 2025. You're holding, and it is now at 442. Okay, some of my trades, if I have to show you, TVS Motors. Okay, it's a very good stock. So I must have picked it up somewhere around here. Okay, 661. Okay, then it gave an exit here, 992. Then an entry here, 1092. So 1092 till 1969. So 900 points you have captured. Later again it gave an entry here at 2334. It went up to 2900. Then you booked your profit, exited at 2525. And then again you got an entry at 2600. And then you exited around 3400. So every time your stop loss is small, you're trailing the stop loss, you're only exiting after this weekly candle closure and gives you a sell entry. Rule based system, completely rule based system, and you are following week in, week out. Okay, so you have to stay in the trade continuously and ensure that you don't break the rules. This is the most difficult part. Once you enter the trade, follow the rules blindly, because this system has a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so you're going to only do this in Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 stocks. So I'll also show you what stocks we can look at. So this was one stock. Adani Energy is another stock. Adani Energy Solutions. So let's look at Adani Energy Solutions. Beautiful. So this week it opened at 1116. The stop loss is already at 964. You can always make a position, okay, in this. If the stock opens somewhere here or anywhere, even if it opens here, the stop loss will come up. So the risk is already defined for you. No problem. You can invest it and you can continue to trade this as long as you get an exit. So let's look at other stock. We have uh, Varinir, or let's look at banking stock, Axis Bank. Okay, let's look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank is giving an entry. Okay, so this was the entry candle. Next candle you bought it at around 1318. Your stop loss is about 1175. So you have to follow the stop loss like this, and you can also restrict it by putting a GTM order. So if you are somebody who wants to safeguard your risks, expecting a big candle which can go down and come back and close up, that's fine. If you want to put that condition hard coded in the system, you can always put a GTM order and let it run. But every week you have to change your stop loss. That is the rule. So you should not let any candle closing below the super trend. If you are getting a sell entry, no F, no but, just cut the trade. Do not even wait. Just cut the trade. Put that money into some other trade which will give you more returns. 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:8. That will easily cover. So this is the most simple technique which you can use. What is the logic behind this? You can always understand how Supertrend works. All these works basis the price logic. What is the price per like average 14 week period, and how it can go bullish from here. This is what is the overall strategy. So there are particular settings which I have used, which I am sharing with you. uh, for all my subscribers who have been watching. So this technique will give you a fantastic return. Trust me, I have been putting all my money on this strategy for lot of years now. 2018 is when I started doing full-time investments on my own hands, and from that time onwards I have been using this strategy. This works really well. This works even well in intraday also, but your psychology has to be tuned to follow the rules strictly. So start with investing. If you get comfortable, if you can follow all the rules, please go ahead and do real time investing. So let's look at another stock. The Phoenix Limited. Okay. The Phoenix. Phoenix Limited. Phoenix. It's not the Phoenix. The symbol name is Phoenix. Okay, Phoenix Mills. So this is the famous chain of malls what we have. Okay, so last week it gave an entry and it gave an exit at the same price. You must have entered here 1733. Your exit was 1703. So 33 points is what you have lost. Not a big deal. But before losing 33 points also, you were able to gain. See, if you have entered somewhere here 1749, you had an opportunity to exit at 1882 also. So that's the beauty. So it went up and then exited. So that's also because of the volatility in the market. So now again it is giving an entry at 1792. You can always exit. So follow the rules blindly. The only way you can achieve these results is follow the rules strictly. Okay, so very simple. Entry, exit plus quantity. Entry, exit and quantity. Three things you have to follow. Entry, SL, quantity. These three things you have to follow very strictly. So I think that's it for this video. If you want to try this strategy, please try it and please leave a comment. Like if you have any questions like how to manage this trade, the rules are pretty simple. Use this strategy and tell me if you are able to make the money or not. And do it only on Nifty 50s to start with. Do not even go up to Nifty 100 or 500 because I want you to choose fundamentally good stocks. So start with Nifty 50. If you get a trade, well and good. If you don't get a trade, wait for the next week to come in. So thank you so much for watching and have a great week.